high Klinkby trades here, so I think I'm actually gonna go for a short if we go into this 5-minute inversion we have right here. But yeah, we'll have to wait and see if we do so. And I think the ideal entry would be around here or something, so not just outside of the gap. Oh, I might why did this one change? Oh no, I think I'm gonna go for it in a second here. Might be too late already. But I'm also just gonna open this one to get the holy shit, the real life data. And let me see here. Okay, now I'm not sure if I want to go in on shorts on this one. I think I'm gonna do it. What is this? 1 unit. Why is this so big, the gap here? Oh, not 12. It's not a new contract, is it? We might actually just go above on the 5-minute here and then respect it. Or we could inverse it and then I would maybe look for a long off of this one. But I think we're going a bit down. Maybe. And now this is also get dangerous because we create a fair value gap right here. But I think I will go short. I think if we inverse this fair value gap, I will go short. So we'll wait in and see, because we are in a heavy downtrend right here. I think so. Yeah. And we push up and go down. But we could also go up. But yeah, no shit, we can do that. So we just didn't close above. So now we're seeing what this will do, this fair value gap. Yeah, so we haven't tapped into one of them yet. But we also have this 1 minute FVG. We could also enter off of this break on this fair value gap right here if we break it. Yeah, we look very bullish right now. I think I actually we might break this one. We didn't break it, or did we? Yeah, we actually did. But I don't think this is valid enough to enter a trade yet. But I think what could happen is this get respected, so we could go down from this one. Yeah, when we go up here it's going aggressive down. I'm just thinking right now if I should enter. I actually respect this one inversion here. But then it's interesting what it will do when it goes up here again. Yeah, so there's a lot of waiting time in this game. Now we can see if this one gonna inverse also, or what we're gonna do about that. Yeah, so we got a big push up here. To break this inverse this. And I think now what I want to do is wait for this candle to close, then hopefully there will be a fair value gap here, and then I can enter long when we tap down to this one. Yes. But it could also be a liquidity sweep. But I don't think so. So now I wait to see if we go back to this fair value gap and then enter a trade. We haven't tapped in quite yet, but now we do. Yeah, I thought of this for a second because we don't get a lot of height on this one. So it could also be that we went up and then go down again. Yeah, and now we are up at this again, but we could then go a bit more down. But this can look a lot stronger than the other ones we had. Yeah, so I should have entered, but you never know. Holy shit. But now we would be playing with the London highs in a bit. And I fucked this one. Yeah, now we have strong momentum. I think this also is a break of structure. Yeah. I think we could put in a low, 5-minute low here. And then go up again. And now we actually get a big push down. And we don't inverse this yet. And don't know if we are gonna do it. But I think I would look for entry at this gap here again. If we go all the way down here. Because now this would be a strong resistance point. Or a floor, if you would call it that. But we might not go all the way down. Nope. push for the London highs right here. Or maybe not. Yeah, so we are slowly approaching London highs. And still not swept them yet. I think they're equal. Not quite. Yeah, so we have touched them now, but not a candle close outside yet. And I think we will get this here. Yeah, we will. Almost going up to Asia highs. Yeah, and I would wait for a pullback or something like that if we get it. Holy shit. No pullback so far. Now we could get something, but we should also look out for an reversal, but I will not think. I don't know if that's still a thing. Reversals. But we will see if we go down to this fair value gap here. Okay, so it might actually look like we are gonna do it. And then I would look out for if we inverse this gap and maybe look for shorts if we do. But we could also jump from here. So now we just jumped off of nothing. Just keep going up. But we might actually have a ceiling right here. It looks hard to break through at least. And now we got a big push down. And are we gonna inverse this? That's the big question now. I don't think we are. Yeah, so I'm gonna go long right here, because then my stop would be closer to the high we just put in, and then we could hope for a sweep of the high and then get hit on our take profit. So I think that's the game plan for now. And hopefully it doesn't continue to go down. Okay. The sellers need to relax a bit here. Okay, I'm gonna get stopped out probably. Oh shit. I hope there are gonna be some buyers now to save me. Doesn't look good. Oh fuck, I might be dead now. Oh, yeah. And now we should fucking continue up or what? I don't know. But that is it for today. Another loss. And it's start getting to me, I think. Because I made 2 wins and now I'm up only $200 or something on my wins. Yeah, 200. because I have 2 wins and 3 losses. Yeah. And I think we might get the reversal that I needed to look out for. But yeah, I will try again tomorrow. Yeah. I think this is... I need to be more confident in my trades, because what's ended up happening, I saw this, we reversed this so we could get a floor right here. We got it, jumped up, and then we go down in this gap, respect it, go down again. Then I should have just purchased right here, but it looked scary at the time. And when I didn't enter the trade, it doesn't go my way. Yeah, now it actually might go up to my take profit, but I'm still stopped out and I won't take another trade today. Yes, have a great one.